What is good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Toffee Games channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys what I picked up about a day ago. So I picked up a big bundle of Lego and also some very rare PlayStation 2 games. Let's get into it. So the first thing we have here is Lego Ideas, and it's actually the mascot for Pixar. You know the little lamp that runs across the screen before every Pixar film? I'll put it on the screen right now. Pretty cool if you ask me. I've never knew this Lego actually existed, but when it comes to reselling, guys, I'm always coming into new Lego sets which I've never seen before. But we don't have one, we actually have two sets of these Legos, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so we'll actually get into the price of how much we paid at the end of the section, but we've got two more Lego sets to go through. Next, we do have the Lego Harry Potter Pivotal Drive Aunt Marge's Visit. Now, guys, don't hate on me, but actually, I've never seen Harry Potter. I know I'm a big Star Wars guy. I'm not a Lego Harry Potter guy, but this is pretty cool. A pretty expensive set, going for about £60 on eBay. Brand new and sealed as always. And then finally, so the final Lego set we have here is the Ferrari Michael Schumacher edition Lego Icons, which is really cool, brand new and sealed. Box is pretty damaged by there, but other than that, still in brand new condition. This is the most expensive Lego set we got, going for around £65 on eBay currently. And yeah, let's show you guys how much I paid for the actual bundle. So for the bundle you see here, we paid a total of £95, which is really good. So that averages out to a price of just under £25 per Lego set. And with these two here going for £60 and these two here going for about £35 each, I'm hoping we can make at least £180 revenue, and then profits will be around the £150 mark if it does go for the asking price. Let's get into the PS2 games that we managed to pick up. So here are the set of games, and if you guys know your video games and you know one of these games is worth nearly £200, let's get into it. Have Wild Arms on the PlayStation 2, complete with manual and in the English edition. Guys, if you're ever going after this game, make sure you always look for the English version of the inlays, because they're often in Italian, Spanish, etc. So when you do go for 505 games, take that into account. But really cool game, goes for about £80. Which I'm really happy with. Secondly, guys, this is the most expensive game of the bundle. This is called Kingsfield 4, or is it 2? No, it's 4, obviously. Complete with manual also, and in the English edition. Never played this, guys, but it's worth about £200 to £180 in CEX. And on eBay, it's going for about £180 to £200, which I'm really happy with. So, yeah, just a really expensive game. To be honest, guys, I'm not sure who would pay this amount of money for this game. But let's be honest, games only go up in value. They never go down. Well, in my experience, I don't know about you guys. Star Wars Racer Revenge. Guys, we messed up on this one, because take a look at the inlay. Oh my God, coffee stain. Not good, but it's okay. Next, we do have this game. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, unfortunately. But it is a relatively rare game, going for about £30, which is cool. This is also complete with manual and the bonus discs, which is really cool. All these games are in really good condition. It's just Star Wars Racer was the worst one. Next, we do have Malachi Kingdom. On this photo on the front and inlay, I would have thought this is a very expensive game, but it only goes for about £10. Next up, we do have Scarface, The World Is Yours. A very cool game. I played this when I was a kid. Absolutely loved it. Unfortunately, no manual and there's some damage on the case, but this is already sold for £14, which I'm really happy with. Next, we do have the first iteration of this game. We did take a look at the second one. Now we're looking at the first one. This is also complete with manual in nice condition. Also English inlay. Guys, if you are a reseller, make sure you are looking out for the English inlays, because if you do find a foreign inlay, then they tend to be harder to sell. This game, which I'm not even going to try and pronounce once again, episode 2. There is an episode 3 on the PlayStation 2, but you only have the second one. This isn't with the manual, but it does come with all discs. So finally, guys, how much did we pay for the entire bundle? I'm going to let you know right now. We paid a grand total of £200, which I'm really happy with. If we manage to sell Kingsfield for asking price, then we only need to make about £20, £30, which means once we sell wild arms, the rest of the games will be free. So that is it, guys. That is what we picked up today. I'm really happy with all that. I mean, if I make at least over the hundreds, £150, I'll be super satisfied with that. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because if you want to see more videos like this, I need to know that you guys are interacting with it. Shout out to all of you watching, and see you in another episode.